So, what are we doing here?
What do you mean? We are here to celebrate Teachers' Day.
That's right. Our teachers are the people who we look up to as role models, the one who makes our lives better.
Yes, I agree. But where are our teachers? To the ones who guide us with gentle care, who share their wisdom always fair.
You light the path, you show the way. We thank you deeply on this day.
For every lesson, big or small, for lifting us when we might fall. Your patience, kindness and your grace make the world a better place.
So here's to you, our guiding star. We're so grateful for all that you are. Happy Teachers' Day, we say. We celebrate you in every way.
Wow, look at the smiles on our beloved teachers' faces. They are looking lovely as usual, but back to the show. Hello guys, Kasakai Kemcho, and a very good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, teachers and young troublemakers, and welcome to this incredible Teachers' Day celebration.
And who are we, you ask? Well, I'm Sarthak Kolasu, and this bundle of energy next to me is Ayola Akbaju. And we are your hosts for today. We promise to keep things as entertaining as possible. We've gathered here to celebrate the superheroes of our school. Yes, you heard that right, superheroes. They may not wear capes, but definitely have superpowers. Who else can survive a day of teaching us with their smiles on their faces? They deserve more than just one day of appreciation.
Now I know you might be very excited, so without any further delay, let's dive into the performances lined up. First up, we have a group of students from class 2 who will now share their thoughts on how important our teachers are in our lives. Please welcome them with a big round of applause.
On this special day, we thank you, God, for giving us teachers and being our guiding light and making us a good human being. I thank you, all my teachers, for making us good. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers are like candles that light the path of knowledge for us. We are fortunate to have such dedicated teachers who care about our future. A big thank you to all our wonderful teachers who guide us, inspire us, help us to grow into better individuals. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today is a special day. It's Teachers' Day. And I'd like to thank all my dear teachers for helping me learn and grow. I love you and appreciate everything you do for us. Happy Teachers' Day.
No words can express my gratitude to you. I am really thankful to God for blessing me with teachers like you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. This is a day when we express our gratitude and respect for our teacher. Thank you. Dear teachers, thank you for continually inspire us to do our best. You help us strive for goals. We found guidance, friendship, discipline and love in one person, and that person is you. Happy Teachers' Day. You are not just a teacher but a great mentor, a friend and a role model for us. Thank you for believing and lightening the path of knowledge in us. Happy Teachers' Day to our my dear teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, dear teacher, for being patient and helpful. You never fail to make us smile and contribute in every way to help us learn and grow.
Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us and making us what we are today. Good afternoon. teach us many different things. Happy Teachers Day. Good afternoon, everyone. Our teachers are like superheroes. They help us learn new things every day. Teach us how to read, write, and do math. But they also teach us how to be kind, how to share, and how to help each other. They always make sure we are happy and safe in school. Thank you.
Wow, thank you for those lovely words, class 2. I'm sure that our teachers are so proud of you.
Yes, I agree. Now we have a group of students from class 1 who have prepared a small dance that's guaranteed to make you smile. They've been practicing so hard that even the floor is tired of their dance moves. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
lovely performance. If dancing was a subject, I think they would do a fantastic job.
Next, we have a melodious song dedicated to our teachers, sung by the students of class 1 and 2. Let's listen and feel the love and respect they have for our teachers.
Now we
Fantastic. That was such a touching song. Music truly has the power to express the deepest feelings.
Next up, we have Abraham Rodriguez, who would like to share his feelings with his teachers. Let's welcome Abraham on stage to share his thoughts.
Good morning to our respected principal, esteemed teachers, and my dear fellow students. Teachers' Day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Radha Krishnan, a renowned philosopher and the second president of India. On this day, I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers here today. My handwriting was untidy. My parents would always fall unconscious when they would see my handwriting. I realized that I could be responsible for humans going extinct if they see my handwriting. That made me tense. My teacher Jovina came to my rescue. She encouraged me to write neatly. Now, no one faints after seeing my handwriting, and thus we are safe from going extinct. I speak English at home, so Hindi and Marathi are difficult. My markers used to go flying anywhere in the book. However, due to the guidance of my Hindi and Marathi teachers, I now understand the importance of markers and my language skills are getting better. My art teacher wrote out the creative side in me, which I never knew I had. Now, learning art has become an art for me. I am weak in sports, but my PT sir made me the captain for a month. I could not do Langri even for 2 seconds. But with the motivation from my sir, I can go on doing Langri for more than 5 minutes. I have also learned cycling by looking at the YouTube channel of my PT sir, The Learning Curve. Finally, music is the soul of life. That is the only language that can be understood without any words. I realized this by observing the passion in which our music teacher teaches us. In conclusion, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all the teachers here today. Thank you very much. Happy Teachers' Day.
Wow, it was wonderful to hear how much our teachers mean to us and the positive impact that they have on our lives. Thank you.
Now, let's add more joy to this celebration. The students of class 2 will be performing a dance symbolizing joy, energy and positivity. Let's put our hands together to encourage our young dancers.
Hey, I
performance. Let's hear it for them again. Thank you.
Thank you, class, for putting up such a fantastic show. Now, let's hear from Samuel about his opinions on teachers. To the ones who guide us with gentle care, who share their wisdom always fair.
You light the path, you show the way. We thank you deeply on this day.
For every lesson, big or small, for lifting us when we might fall. Your patience, kindness, and your grace make the world a better place.
So here's to you, our guiding star. We are so grateful for all that you are. Happy Teachers' Day, we say. We celebrate you in every way.
Wow, look at the smiles on our beloved teachers' faces. They are looking lovely as usual, but back to the show. Hello guys, Kasa Kai Kem Cho, and a very good afternoon ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, teachers and young troublemakers, and welcome to this incredible Teachers' Day celebration.
And who are we, you ask? Well, I'm Sarthak Kolasu. And this bundle of energy next to me is Ayola Akbaju. And we are your hosts for today. We promise to keep things as entertaining as possible. We've gathered here to celebrate the superheroes of our school. Yes, you heard that right, superheroes. They may not wear capes, but definitely have superpowers. Who else can survive a day of teaching us with their smiles on their faces? They deserve more than just one day of appreciation.
Now I know you might be very excited, so without any further delay, let's dive into the performances lined up. First up, we have a group of students from class 2 who will now share their thoughts on how important our teachers are in our lives. Please welcome them with a big round of applause.
Good afternoon to all of you and lots of love, especially for teachers. It's well said that teachers are greater than parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers form the characters and make the future bright. This day commemorates the birth of an Indian scholar who was the first Indian to teach at the Oxford University. Any guesses who is it? Yes, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan also served as the first vice president, then as the second vice president of our country. It's truly said that teachers are the backbone of our society. They play a great role on building up students' characters and shaping them to become ideal citizens. I'm sure that most of you will have that one teacher whom you will always remember with grateful hearts for having transformed your lives. Having said that, I want to request all the students present to express love and respect for the teachers. Not only today but every day. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
That's the most lovely way of conveying our message to teachers. Thank you, Samuel, for such a beautiful message.
Faith is the foundation of success. With belief in yourself, no mountain is too high and no dream is too far. Our Gen Alpha kids of class 4 will prove that with faith, everything is possible.
There is no ocean that can't be parted. There is no mountain that can't be moved. I know there's help for the heavy hearted. The weak will find their strength renewed. You just gotta have faith. You just gotta have faith. It's like for the shadow of your tomorrow. It's knowing He's there through the sun and the rain. It's when you believe it before you can see it, and you can walk on 'cause He's making की सभी जुबान हम हैं हजारों में, अब की कमी जरा है, हर चीज खास है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी है। सहनी हमें सजा है, हम हैं बाजारों के, सबकी नजर यहाँ है, हर चीज राज है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके तो रबा है, अब है जो है वो समा है, तुम रह सके ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी ऐसी जीत, अब चाहे जिंदगी है। ऐसी जिंदगी हम छुप छुपाए, हम
That was flawless. Your energy is contagious. Thank you, class 4. Let's give them another round of applause.
Now, let's enjoy a singing performance by Tiara from class 3. Music and singing truly has a special way of touching our hearts. Let's welcome her.
Thank you, teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true. Take a bow, we thank you, God, for everything you do. From the early morning to the setting of the sun, you look for creative ways to make our learning fun. Thank you, teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true. Take a bow, we thank you, now for everything you do. Thanks so much for caring. Don't that run could say. Thanks so much for sharing all the knowledge in your brain. Thank you, teachers, thank you. Thank you, teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true. Take a bow, we thank you, now for everything you do. Thank you, teachers, thank you. You're the best, it's true. Thank you.
Thank you, Tiara. That was wonderful.
Next, our students of class 3 have prepared a special performance as a tribute to our teachers. Through music and dance, they want to show how thankful they are. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Chakara chicha cho chakalo ram mando wando lakana katam akko dakko idi 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 go idi pai chiki chakacho gili gili mal sulu sulu mal makara buku bukure chakala kabikko chikko sili 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 go chakadum chiki chakacho
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे, देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, वक्त जरा फैलाओ, रंग में बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोले। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए। हमने ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुद ही सोचे आओ, वक्त जरा फैलाओ, रंग में बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। और रख के क्यों टैंकर फुल, आंखें बंद में डब्बा गुल। ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे, हो जा बिंदास बोल रे। मैं भी हूँ तू भी है, तो मैं भी तू भी, हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम।
What a mesmerizing performance. Our teachers deserve every bit of appreciation. And I'm sure they enjoyed the dance.
Yes, each teacher beholds an important place in students' life as students learn to take baby steps to big steps in education with their help. Today, the students of class 4 will show their appreciation towards their teachers with their dance Nanhe Kadam.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
What a beautiful, emotional and moving performance. You are very well gifted. Thank you class 4. Well done.
Up next, we have Nathan Nair, who's going to give us a wonderful speech and express his gratitude towards the teachers.
Good afternoon, dear teachers and brothers. I am Nathan Nair from class 3-1. First, I would like to speak about my class teacher. She's funny, clears our doubts and explains in funny ways. Then, I would like to speak about my PT sir. Whenever we make mistakes in sports, he comes and helps us and corrects our mistakes. Next, music sir helps us in singing. When we make mistakes in singing, he sings himself and shows how to sing. Because of all the teachers, I'm learning new things and getting better at every subject. So I want to thank each and every teacher. A happy Teacher's Day. Thank you.
All the things the head does do. Teachers lessons big and small and catch us when we start to fall. You are kind and patient every day, guiding us along the way. On this special day, we say thank you, teachers, in every way. Happy Teachers Day, everyone. Thank you for making learning fun and engaging. The stories you share in class are the best and they help us understand things better. Happy Teachers Day. From hand holding to screen sharing, from chalk to chat, from blackboard to whiteboard, from real to virtual. The journey was difficult, but you did not give up. From offline to online, from keep quiet to speak up, from no mobile to turn on a mobile, from conventional to technical. The journey was difficult, but you did not give up. From notebook to screenshot, from classroom to Zoom, from school to home. The journey was difficult, but you did not give up. Thank you, teachers. Thank you to all my teachers for endless efforts in building us for a better future. You all are the greatest blessings for students. Teachers are like guiding stars. They help us learn new things, not just from books, but also about life. Teachers are like gardeners nurturing young plants. They teach us how to be kind, honest, and hardworking. A big thanks to all our teachers for their love and dedication. A teacher is a beautiful gift given by God, because God is the creator of the whole world and a teacher is the creator of the whole nation. A teacher is such an important person in the life of a student who with the knowledge, patience and love give a strong shape to the student's life. I thank my teachers for being my guide, teaching me life lessons. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Today, on this special occasion, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our teachers. Thank you for being so kind, for teaching us so much, and भर पंखात देवणी गरुड झेपेचे वेळ लावतात.
Absolutely wonderful. Thank you so much, class 2. That was really good.
As we come to the end of a celebration, let's remember that we should always be thankful and respectful to our teachers. Let's carry the lessons with us and make them proud.
On behalf of the entire St. English Medium School family, thank you teachers for everything you do. I would like to invite our principal, Brother Dr. Thomas Mars, to give a vote of thanks.
Follow the checking mic. I'm shocked today. And when I stand before you, there's so much of silence. I thought there would be a lot of noise. First of all, let me begin by thanking two very special persons over here who have been with us over the years and who have come to the end of their teaching career. But I hope they will keep in touch with the school. Teacher Priya Chavan and Teacher Deborah. Please stand up, take a bow, give them a big hand. Okay, please be seated. Not many may know, but Teacher Priya and Teacher Deborah have been a very important part of this institution. And therefore, it is with a tinge of sadness that we will celebrate this Teachers' Day, being their last in the school. Thank you, Teacher Priya and Teacher Deborah, for all that you have done for the school. Of course, there will be a farewell at a later stage. To all the parents who took on the role of teachers since the last 2 or 3 weeks, they came quietly, they practiced in the evening, they practiced on Saturdays, Sundays, and they trained this group of children into artists who performed so well today. It was truly an evolution of a miracle. We've seen small children who sometimes we find it difficult to manage in the class. The performance that we had today, or the performances that we had today, were out of this world. And therefore, I choose 2 programs for the awards day. One is the last 4th standard dance, and the other one is also maybe 4th standard, and the one where they come with the cap and they draw. So these 2 will perform at the awards day. Okay, so we'll keep practicing. No Teachers' Day is complete without the teachers. No teacher is complete without the students. Okay, we would not be students, we would not be teachers without the students. And today I want to thank both the teachers and the students for making this day a very memorable one. Happy Teachers' Day. To all our support staff, Roshan, Charles, Ajit, Raju, and all behind for the wonderful work that they did. And last but not the least, our anchors, Ayula and Sarthak, for doing a wonderful job.